Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, March 5th. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning, as well as a fairly mild low for this time of year. Going to be continuing to see fairly similar cloud conditions as we're seeing right now throughout much of the day today. Then possibly even seeing some snow flurries tonight before we get into our coldest day of the week tomorrow. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the eastern half of the nation this morning, we do have a weak surface low off the Carolinas. Not really well depicted well here, but that has given some rainfall across the Carolinas down to Georgia, even a little bit of snowfall down there as well, as we got that colder air moving into the region. Still going to be remaining dry here throughout the day. Seeing those lower level clouds that we're currently seeing dissipate a little bit towards the mid-afternoon hours, but then they'll be quick to return as we go towards later this evening. We are going to be having a weak Arctic front moving through the area that's going to give us a reinforcing shot of cold air. That's going to be moving into the area between about 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. tonight. Could be seeing a brief snow flurry or snow shower across portions of the area with that. Not expecting any accumulation, but our short-term models have been picking up on that this morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we're seeing widespread temperatures in the upper 20s to near 30 degrees across the region with those northerly winds, and then we're going to be seeing those winds become a little bit more variable as we go towards the late morning hours into the early afternoon before they switch northwesterly later tonight. As of 8 a.m., seeing a few clouds offshore at 3,000 feet and then broken at 4,500 feet throughout the remainder of the region and broken at 6,000. Seeing that wind direction around 10 degrees at 8 knots with a temperature of 30 degrees. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today, going to be seeing a chilly day today, looking at those temperatures running a little bit more than 10 degrees below average for this time of year with a high of 39 this afternoon. Going to be seeing those winds around 6 to 11 knots from the north-northeast this morning, and then as we go towards the afternoon, they are going to become variable around 3 to 8 knots into this afternoon and early this evening. And then as we get that front crossing the area, behind that front, they'll start to pick up a bit, becoming northwesterly at 6 to 11 knots, and then increasing throughout the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday to 9 to 14 knots, and gusty by sunrise on Wednesday. We are, like I had said, expecting a slight chance of a snow flurry across the region with that frontal passage, mainly between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. is when we can expect to see any flurries falling, if we do see any. Not really seeing much on our broader long-range models with this, but on our short-term higher resolution models, we're starting to see some of that snow shower activity pick up. So not expecting any accumulation, as it'll be very brief if we do see any, but definitely something to keep an eye on later this evening. We are going to be seeing a very cold low tomorrow, around 25 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be continuing to see a scattered to broken deck near 4,500 feet as we go towards the remainder of the morning hours, and then seeing a broken deck near 14,000 feet late this morning into early this afternoon. As we go into the mid to late afternoon hours, those cloud decks will dissipate a bit, just seeing a scattered deck near 4,000 feet, scattered at 14,000, and then a scattered cirrus deck towards the end of the workday. And then as we go into this evening, we'll start to see those clouds increase again as that weak front approaches, seeing scattered at 3,500 and overcast at 5,000 by 9 p.m. this evening, possibly seeing those ceilings lower down to around 2,000 feet in any brief flurry activity. And then by the pre-dawn hours tomorrow, seeing just a few clouds at 4,000 feet and a scattered cloud deck at 7,500 feet. Still seeing tides a little bit high this morning at 1/2 foot above normal. For tomorrow, going to be looking at a partly cloudy and cold day once again. It is going to be slightly breezy as we get those pressure gradient tightening up as we get some more high pressure building in. Only expecting a high of 36 tomorrow, so about 15 degrees below average for this time of year. Wednesday night's going to be cold once again as well, partly cloudy with a low all the way down to 23. So looking at temperatures more like mid-January. And then Thursday we're going to be seeing partly cloudy and cold. It is going to be a little bit more mild with those temperatures starting to finally regulate with a high of 43. We're going to be seeing clouds increasing late as well as we get some more onshore flow developing. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.